This video tutorial explains how to connect a CINENORM series monitor to a Sony A7S III camera via a wired connection. Connect the control cable to the monitor's remote port and the camera's Type-C port, respectively. At this point, a USB connection mode selection window will appear on the camera. Select Remote Shooting. Then tap the monitor screen to bring up the menu and select External Device Connection. Choose Wired Camera Control Connection. When the monitor recognizes the camera, the connection is successful. Click Rec to start or stop recording. In still shooting mode, click Shoot to trigger the camera shutter. Click Focus to activate camera autofocus. Click Iris to adjust the aperture. Click Shutter to adjust the camera's shutter speed. Click ISO to adjust the camera's ISO sensitivity. Click Focus in AF mode. You can perform touch focus and tracking focus. In MF mode, you can adjust the focus point using buttons. Click Zoom to control the camera's zoom function. This requires using a power zoom lens or changing the zoom mode to digital zoom. Otherwise, this parameter cannot be controlled. Click WB to change the white balance mode. When the white balance mode is set to K, click CT to adjust the color temperature. When ISO is set to auto, click EV to adjust the exposure compensation. Click Shooting Mode to change the camera's shooting mode. That's all for this tutorial on connecting a CINENORM series monitor to a Sony A7S III camera via a wired connection.